The oldest light in the universe, presented by Science at NASA. A NASA satellite has captured the sharpest ever picture of the afterglow of the Big Bang. February 11, 2003. NASA today released the best baby picture of the universe ever taken. The image contains such stunning detail that it may be one of the most important scientific results of recent years. Scientists used NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, or WMAP, to capture the new cosmic portrait, which reveals the afterglow of the Big Bang, also known as the cosmic microwave background. The contents of the universe include 4% atoms, that is, ordinary matter, 23% of an unknown type of dark matter, and 73% of a mysterious dark energy. The new measurements even shed light on the nature of the dark energy, which acts as a sort of anti-gravity. These numbers represent a milestone in how we view our universe, said Dr. Ann Kenney, NASA Director for Astronomy and Physics.
There are hot and cold spots in this microwave background radiation that we can measure with satellite and telescopes today, and the light from these hot and cold spots comes to us through the universe and defines a huge cosmic triangle, and we can work out the angle here on the sky. We know how far away the hot and cold spots are to begin with, and we also know the distance between us and the time when this radiation was emitted. Therefore, we have a huge triangle. We can work out the angles of this triangle, and sure enough, this tells us that the universe is actually flat.
Silence grew and became intense, wider and deeper. The brain which had listened to the silence of the hills, fields, and groves was itself now silent. It had become quiet, naturally, without any enforcement. It was still, deep within itself. Like a bird that folds its wings, it had folded upon itself. It had entered into depths which were beyond itself. It was a dimension which the brain could not capture or understand. And there was no observer witnessing this depth. Every part of one's whole being was alert, sensitive, but intensely still. This new, this depth was expanding, exploding, going away, developing in its own explosions, out of time and beyond space.